I have been hearing a lot of recently is that homes are selling for more than they are worth. Now, this usually starts by somebody telling me my insert well-meaning person here who has not bought and sold in the last 2 years told me blank. This is not true, so you can take a deep breath. And furthermore, it's not even possible. How, you say? Because the market determines the value of a home. When we talk about how our market's doing, we speak on market value. Who determines the value? Y'all, the market, who are out there buying and selling. This is a simple case of supply and demand. In many price ranges right now, our demand is high and our prices reflect that because our supply is low. What these folks might mean is that homes are selling for more than they're listed, and in many price ranges, that is true. Now, the list price is determined by the agent and their client. So we look at statistics, we look at market trends, we kind of gauge how well we think the home will do on the market, but it's really a price that we come up with based on those things. It can't really be predicted how things will go, but we are seeing certain trends in our market. So again, supply and demand is what makes our market ebb and flow and makes certain neighborhoods become more desirable and your home values rise and things like that. So think back to last year, let's say about April. Now, backstory on me real quick. Angel Soft used to be my primo luxury toilet paper. When I lived in DC, money was tight and I felt like the Queen of England if I could pay about $4 for that at Walmart. Now, if you took one of those $4 packs and threw it into a crowd of people last April, people would have probably paid like $40 for it. I actually went into the Walmart yesterday and it was on sale for about $10. So that is the market saying there's not much of this out there and we really, really want it. So the price will naturally be higher. That's sort of what we're seeing in many price ranges here, but the market is saying this is how much we value it and this is how much we're gonna pay. So ultimately, an appraiser will determine how much a bank thinks a house is worth and how much they'll loan you. We'll talk about that later. But the public really determines the value of a home. So it's not possible for things to sell for more than they're worth because a buyer and a seller agree on a price, and that is now the standard for that area. So if anybody tells you this, know that they probably mean over list price, and just know that they may not be trying to scare you, but it's definitely not true.